To share your Wi-Fi or mobile data on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, you have to start by opening settings, go into portable hotspot. If you cannot find it here, you can also find it in the more connectivity options. Now, before you start using portable hotspot, it's really useful to set it up. So first you can find the name of your hotspot. You can change it like you want by clicking here and using your keyboard. Also, when you click here, you can find password of your hotspot and you can switch security options. I can recommend you to go into WPA3. It's a little bit safer than PA2. And here you can even hide its SSID. If you don't know what does it mean, basically you will hide name of your hotspot. Then you can also set one-time data limit. It's useful for mobile data, right? Because as you can see now, when I try to do this, it give me information that I have to switch off Wi-Fi. So it will be only useful for mobile data, right? And here you can also turn off hotspot automatically when there is no devices connected, so your phone is not gonna drain battery a lot. And here we can support sixth generation standard to speed up connection. And to turn on and share your internet, just click here. If you want to let someone to quickly connect, you can tap and displays, and you can let someone scan an QR code. And that's basically all you need to know about sharing internet on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus.